you see the essential parts of any C program. In this video, we are going to introduce one more loop that is called do while loop. So to clear the concept about this do while loop, I am showing you a very simple program. This is the program. You know, here I has been declared as an integer variable which stores initially zero value, this zero value, and this is the loop do, and here is while. Here is while. So mixing these two words do and while, this loop is known as do while loop. And now see this loop. Here is the condition. You see condition. I have already uploaded a video about the while loop. It is very important to notice the differences between while loop and the do while loop. Here is the do while loop, and in the previous video I have uploaded a program of while loop. You should compare these two programs to clear your concept about these two loops. Here, let us see. Earlier in the past video, you noticed that while loop first checks the condition, thereafter it executes the code which is inside its body. Here you see do while loop. Do while loop first executes the part of the code which is inside its body. You see inside do while loops these two sentences. C statements, these two statements. C statements are separated by semicolon. Here is the first one, and the second is this printf function. These two are inside do while loop. Now first this part is executed. You see I is initially 0, so I plus plus means I will be 1. Okay, so here will be 1, and since %d is format specifier, so 1 will be at the place of this %d. So the output will be 1 dot welcome to the USubTube channel. Thereafter the cursor will go in the next line. Again thereafter condition will be checked. You know I has become 1. 1 is less than or equal to 12. It is 2. So it will again go inside the body, and this time again you see I plus plus. This means I will be increased by 1. Earlier it was 1, now it will be 2. So that 2 will come here, and you see %d is the format specifier, so 2 will be here, and the output will be 2 dot welcome to the USubTube channel. In this way it will go up to 12. And the main concept, main difference between do while loop and the while loop is the last execution. In the last, you see in the last means 12. Up to 12 this condition is true. 12 is less than or equal to 12, true. Thereafter, since the condition is true, it will go inside the loop I plus plus. Here I will be increased by 1, so after 12 it will be 13. So 13 will come here. Since %d is the format specifier, so 13 will be here. So 13 dot welcome to the view subtube channel will be printed. And if you see the previous video, in the same video in the previous video I have kept the same condition, I is less than or equal to 12, but in that 13 dot welcome to the u subtube channel was not printed, but this do while loop prints the last, even the condition is false. 13 is not less than or equal to 12, but the last sentence will be printed as 13 dot welcome to the u subtube channel. This is because do while loop first executes, thereafter it checks the condition. But when you use while loop, in that loop first condition is checked, thereafter execution takes place. So from our discussion we learned that we must have 1 to 13, total 13 sentences written welcome to the u subtube channel. Let us check we are getting these 13 sentences or not. Yes, you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. There are 13 sentences with serial number, the same sentences with different serial number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you must understood the, if you learn, if you try to understand this program, then certainly you will be able to understand the mechanism of do while loop. And also at the same time you must also notice the previous video number 29, because in that there is mechanism of while loop. It is very important to compare these two programs, because these loops will be used in later complex programs. Okay, thanks.